Hi everybody. Today I am going to show you these awesome Sinful mattes nail polishes from Sinful Colors. They are highly pigmented, so you only need like 1 to 2 coats depending on how your application goes. And these 6 right here, that's 5 colors in the top coat, you can get from Target online. I'll put the link in the description box below. I actually purchased all of these at Walmart. They are only in the select Walmart stores that get the special Sinful Colors collections. And I just purchased these recently, so I do believe that they are stocking them right now. Actually, I got them a month ago. But they were pretty full. They were pretty, the display was pretty full of them. So, anyways, let me show you these swatches for these. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start out with base coat. And I'll be wearing this under all of the polishes that I'm swatching today. This one is called White Lies, and it is, obviously it's a white matte polish. Here's the first coat. I think it might need a second coat. This one's a little hard to get in one coat. Here is the second coat. Now I'm going to add the matte top coat. Okay, so here it is with the matte top coat, completely dry. I think it gives it sort of a satin finish. This one is called State Mint, and this is a minty green color. This one is a light minty green. Okay, this doesn't dry too fast that you can't manipulate the nail polish to make it perfect. This actually looks really good in one coat. And here is the matte top coat. This smooths out any imperfections on your nail. And here's what it looks like when it's dry. This one is called Purplexed, and it's kind of like a medium to light purple. Here is the first coat. This one will need 2 coats. It doesn't look like it through my camera, but it actually, yeah, it just needs another coat. It's just a little on the thin side. This one applies really nice. It's a lot smoother and levels out really easily. And here is the top coat. Here it is, dry with the top coat. This one is one of my favorites. It's called Let's Flamingle. I love flamingos. And I love this color. This is one of my very favorite colors. I got like a ton of nail polishes this color. I think it's like a fuchsia pink color, and this one is actually the only one in the collection that's got this really neat shimmer in it. So I'm really loving this one. This one is a little different. It's kind of got a shimmer running through it, so it's kind of glowy. And this one is good with just one coat. Now I'm going to add the top coat. And here it is with the top coat. This one is called Blew Me Away, and it is a nice cobalt blue. This is first coat. Almost there, but not quite. I'm going to add a second coat. Here's the second coat. Here's the top coat. These colors look great shiny or matte. And here is what it looks like with the top coat dry. This one is called Coral Craze, but it is a vibrant orange. It's really not coral at all. This really does look orange and not coral at all. I think it looks like a good Halloween orange. And it looks like it's going to need another coat. Not quite there with one coat. Here is the second coat. And here's the top coat. And here is the finished look with the top coat when it's dry. This one is called Dragonfly, and it is a beautiful bright cherry red. Right, here is the first coat. This is a bright red. And actually this is good in one coat. You don't actually do not need another coat for this one. And now for the top coat. Here's how it looks when it's dry. This one is called Blacklist, and of course it is black. This one is only going to need one coat. It covers perfectly. And here's the top coat. And here it is when it is dry. So let's see, the 6-piece set at Target online is selling for $16.59. If for some reason you go there and they have it out of stock, which they do have it in stock right now, just wait, because that has been going in and out of stock. I've been like debating about putting this video up because it was out of stock and now it's in stock, so that's crazy. But anyway, and then the polishes sell singly at Walmart for, I believe it's $2.98 a bottle. Their polishes usually run $1.99 or $2.98, so I believe these are the $2.98 ones. And the matte top coat is phenomenal. This is my favorite matte top coat. I think I have 3 bottles of it because I was afraid of running out, that I would never see it again. And it is like one of my favorites. It's nice and thick, so it just gives your nail a really good look. So I just can't say enough nice things about this collection and the top coat. Anyways, so I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts and comments below. Are you going to pick up the colors? Do you not like matte finishes? Whatever you want to talk about is fine with me. I love to read comments and write back. So thank you all for watching this video, and bye for now.